Amakuru agagizire ku manyobwa ba Patriotic League of Uganda babiri batayirirwa reri no kuhereza abarwire ubuhwezi.
As you have seen, this is Kakadi General Hospital. We are a capacity of 100 patients, but we hold more than that due to our increasing catchment area and also the changing disease burden.
Irwarero hona tirina ambulance kandi kuba kutunga mu rwiro rukuba rukubi urukwitanga kutwarwa mu irwarero rindi batandika kutere mukono.
Ambulance is in a sorry state. It is beyond repair, but still we manage to run it around helping the needy patients. The major point that we should put across is really equipping the facility.
Ebimwe habyokusomozebwa irwariro rya Kagadi Hospital ebiriho ni ambulance ne motoka eravuga abarwire either kubiho mu cyaro aho yarwarira kumutwara umwirwariro.
James Byarugaba urukuru rw'ikigombe cya Patriotic League of Uganda mu district ya Kagadi nagirango habwembere y'irwariro rumu kibagemeserizo kuba kwataraho.
Patriotic League of Uganda ni twizeye hano kwikiriza ubujuranizo bw'abantu mukama waitu General Muhozi Kainerugaba natusaba turwanyise enguzi kandi tuhikirize ubujuranizo bw'abantu.
As we know that we are in a rural place and most of our communities are poor, so what the act you have done today actually is so great.
Ubuhwezo bw'ebintu bitari umwe na bimwe nubwo buhirwe yo kwera barwire
ayebare kwebimbere kitebe n'ukutubuyambi kandi ayebare ahangari kuba umuntu ahangara kuri birungi mukama n'ukwagaruraho
namusimana noga tumanya hito abantu bahansi kwera mu nitetura twetaga okwe mu biro muri yangoye.
Irwariro rya Kagadi General Hospital rukomeye ko mahagwara ko mu Rwanda nkagana mwenda okora barwirigana buri izuba konko mbarondo guyongera bwasya bwira gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze.